at the heart of the Scarlet Forest, a land teeming with diverse plant species, countless creatures both great and small, and a wide variety of monsters fiercely competing for territory. A fragile balance has long been maintained by the unchanging laws of nature. But then, a new visitor arrived, heralded by a mysterious roar echoing from the forest's waterways. A shadowy form gliding beneath the surface. This being has not come to coexist, but to conquer. This is Lagiacrus, the Stormbringer of the aquatic realm. Lagiacrus, scientific name Harris jormungandri, is a large carnivorous reptilian monster, the sole species within the distinct family Armutonitриdae, a taxonomic group set apart by its unique characteristics. It belongs to the broader clade Archosauria, sharing evolutionary ties with other massive reptiles such as the Suchians, including monsters like Meeblesnarf. Lagiacrus is often called the Lord of the Sea, a title that not only reflects its fearsome appearance, but also its ecological role as a top predator. It possesses an extraordinary ability to dominate aquatic environments, and can even survive in brackish waters. The name Lagiacrus is believed to be derived from the Latin word pelagicus, meaning of the sea, and crus, meaning lower leg, which is also the root of the term crurotarsi, a major archosaur group. The word Pelagia is the feminine form of the Greek name Pelagios, which also means of the sea, and is the origin of the Latin equivalent. Therefore, the name Lagiacrus is thought to be a compound of Pelagia and crus, a name that embodies both its marine nature and its evolutionary heritage. Lagiacrus is not an especially large monster, reaching up to 24 meters in length and weighing around 19 tons. Its body has a distinct leviathan-like structure, long and slender, with relatively short legs, a crocodile-like snout, and unique brown horns resembling tree branches. Crystal-like spines run along its back, mostly in shades of blue, with a creamy-colored underbelly. Although primarily an aquatic creature, Lagiacrus is capable of moving on land and can twist its body with surprising agility, allowing it to confront land-based threats when necessary. Lagiacrus is a cold-blooded animal, making it highly sensitive to cold, and found only in tropical climates. It possesses a complex electrical mechanism. Behind this remarkable ability lies an incredibly advanced bioelectric system. Its skin isn't just protective armor. It acts as a natural circuit board that continuously generates electricity. The stored energy is carefully contained within an organ resembling a spinal cord, functioning like a massive biological battery. The spines on its emit a glowing light, like deep-sea bioluminescence, not merely for show, but as a warning signal that it's fully charged. And when the electricity is ready to be unleashed, a thunderous roar erupts from its jaws, the final signal before it strikes. The glow of its electric spines is not just symbolic. It's the true core of its energy control. Lagiacrus's electric attacks are astonishingly destructive. The electrical charge it releases can generate a surge powerful enough to boil the surrounding seawater instantly. This energy manifests in various forms, from straight-shooting lightning balls to wide-area shockwaves that stun prey or neutralize threats. But its power isn't limited to combat alone. In the deep darkness of the ocean where sunlight cannot reach, Lagiacrus relies on electroreception to detect and target its prey with precision, even without light. Its bioelectric power isn't just a weapon. It's the very core that makes it the apex predator of the underwater food chain. And yet, even against such overwhelming power, humans, the hunters, possess intelligence of their own, allowing them to find ways to confront Lagiacrus, no matter how difficult the challenge may be. Lagiacrus prefers tropical and humid climates and is found across oceans and coastal regions, including the Scarlet Forest. Its appearance in the Scarlet Forest came after the population control of Zhaoqia, which led to a decline in fallow and incremazine activity. As a result, the forest became more fertile, attracting new species of animals and monsters. Lagiacrus is a solitary hunter, patrolling its vast territory with vigilance, underscoring its role as a dominant carnivore. In aquatic and semi-aquatic environments, Lagiacrus interacts with other large monsters, often in the form of conflict. These clashes, such as with Rathalos or Uthduna, are typically the result of overlapping hunting territories. When confrontation occurs, it combines brute strength, serpentine agility, and powerful lightning strikes. As a cold-blooded creature, Lagiacrus naturally has a low metabolic rate, which means it doesn't need to hunt frequently. It can survive on just 70 pounds of meat for up to 3 weeks. Because it can live both on land and in water, Lagiacrus is an opportunistic feeder. It preys on mammals, fish, and even ambushes birds. Thanks to its naturally low energy expenditure, most of its energy is instead used to maintain its territory and reproduce. Its mating system is polygynous, meaning a dominant male mates with multiple females. These males strive to reproduce as much as possible. Lagiacrus has a long lifespan and appears stable within its ecosystem, yet sightings in the wild remain rare. Legends tell of Lagiacrus as an omen, a harbinger of powerful natural events, earthquakes, typhoons, and famine. This reflects humanity's interpretation of overwhelming power and the seemingly supernatural force that shapes the environment. And this is Lagiacrus, a monster that stands as the undisputed apex predator of both land and sea. Its emergence in the Forbidden Lands has profound consequences, impacting prey populations and altering the dynamics of the surrounding forests through its bioelectric prowess. Yet, it is a dragon that has endured for millennia, a living testament to its legacy, a true lord of the sea, and a cornerstone of aquatic knowledge within the Hunters Guild. See you next time on Monster Ecology. Which creature will be featured next? Until then, goodbye.